Welcome! In front of me I have Wahoo Tickr Fit sensor, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this sensor with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on the sensor, and to turn it on simply press and hold the side button right here for 3 seconds. Press and hold it, and once you see the blue light flashing you can release the button, and the blue light flashing means that the sensor is turned on and it's ready to be paired. Now we need to download the Wahoo Fitness application on our iPhone, so make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type in Wahoo. Wahoo. Come on. Fitness. Then tap on search, and you should see this application on the list, Wahoo Fitness. Tap on it, tap on the get button to download and install it. Let me confirm by tapping on install and entering the password. Okay, and let's wait until the application is done installing. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open the application. After the application opens, you will need to log in into Wahoo account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on the sign up button and create a new one. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on login, enter the email address and password, and then we can tap on login to log in. After you log in, you probably will see this page. Basically, we can tap on the setup Wahoo products to go to the setup page, so tap on it. Now select the device, so we need to select the Tickr. Allow the permission for Bluetooth by tapping on OK, tap on continue, and the apps should start looking for the nearby devices. And after a couple of seconds it should detect our sensor, and once it does, tap on pair, then tap on continue, finish setup. And once you finish the setup, you can also allow or deny the permission for the location. I'm just gonna allow it. And next we have the option to allow the location to be allowed for all the time or only using the app. I'm gonna keep it on only while using the app, but you can change it to allow all the time if you want to. Okay, you can also tap on the settings icon right here, tap on sensors, and you should see your Tickr Fit right here on the list. You can tap on it to open the device page for it, and we have info right here. We have the battery, we have the range, maybe not range, maybe signal of the sensor, basically how strong it is. And then we can tap on sensor info, and here we have more information. Okay, and at this point, of course, the devices are paired, and that's how you pair this sensor with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.